KubeBond is the latest technology from CHOOSE NanoTech for the professional auto detailing businesses. Diamond 9H is the world's authentic 9H coating, also the flagship product among KubeBond products. It is clear and a liquid when it's in the container. Let's see what happens after 24 hours. Once exposed to air, Diamond 9H turns into a rigid, transparent ceramic film to permanently protect the substrate. By using our liquid ceramic technology, Diamond 9H dramatically reduces the surface energy of the substrate so that when liquids come into contact with it, they form beads and simply roll off. The surface protected by Diamond 9H can be cleaned numerous times without reapplication. Diamond 9H creates a strong permanent bond using our revolutionary bonding technology. This means Diamond 9H will become part of the substrate, and therefore Diamond 9H cannot be removed by any chemicals once it's cured. It can only be removed by machine polishing. With this permanent protection, Diamond 9H can even benefit from anti-graffiti properties to keep the substrate free from damaging contaminants and harsh chemicals. Diamond 9H also offers a high gloss effect for painted surfaces, which keeps your car new forever. Learn more about our technologies at KubeBond.com.